Yo, we can't even move right now. The wind blowing is crazy. All right, but we're gonna start with these wheels, man. 20-inch wheels with the big Brembo brakes on them. Got the same back here, the 20s, but the Brembos on this one a little smaller for the rear. So SRT, man, y'all gotta know what y'all get when it's SRT. Now, the last owner of this car, he changed out the exhaust system, so it's got a new exhaust on it. Yo, shit's dummy loud, super loud. SRT badge on the back. You know, you got your boom like that. You can open the trunk. Automatic. So you got your Jeep mats back here. You got a little subwoofer back here. It's nice little storage right here. Yo, what is this for? I don't know what this is for. I know it go like that, but what's the purpose of it?
I'm not sure.
I don't know the purpose of that.
Down and up.
That's what I was thinking. To put some grocery bags up there or
like
something.
The sensitives up there?
Yeah, I don't know. Put the bread and the eggs. You know what I'm saying? Okay. But yeah, you got that. Got the mats. You know, with all the Jeeps, you got your. Oh shit, that's a full size tire too. So you got a full size spare tire in there, man. Man, we're gonna hop in. We're gonna show y'all show them the hood real quick, bro. Cause it's freezing, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. We out here freezing our ass. So pop that for me real quick. Oh, man, we dedicated, man. It's out here type snowing, man. We still doing a review, man. So, you know, with SRTs, you got the headlamps right here. So you got the daytime running lamps right there. The headlight, the fog light, and then there's no fog lights down here because that's for the, it's breathing right there. It's pulling in all that extra air. But it's got the sensor on it, so for all those, you know, again, who can't drive, it's got the parking assistance, all that good stuff on it. Ooh, big cold. There you go. All right, SRT, man. So this is not the. It's different from the track hog. It doesn't have a supercharger on it, so it's only 485 horsepower, 6.4 Hemi, man. That. All right, man. We jumping inside, man. Got the hood scoops right here, man. They are functional. They do work. Man, I'm sorry, man. We had to make this one quick, man. It's crazy. Woo. Bro,
yo, it is crazy.
Bro, it was just 55.
Oh man,
son,
it was crazy.
Yo, if you live anywhere in New York, you know that, man. Weather change whenever it feel like it, bro. It was just nice outside though. Gonna do this door handle, so they got the nice carbon fiber on the trim on the door. That junk is super nice, and it go all the way around too. Super nice. So boom, right there, and it go all the way across the side, but. No, we're gonna work here. Boom, you got your automatic up and down on passenger and driver's side. You got your memory seats, you got storage space right there, you got a cup holder there. Same thing on the other side.
Little double sunroof up there.
Oh yeah, can't forget the sunroof, the panoramic, man. Come on, you know we gotta have that, man. We not playing, man. It's SRT Jeep, man. It's got the flat bottom steering wheel, leather wrap steering wheel, big paddle shifters. Paddle shifters real responsive too, so
right,
they real responsive.
Nice, man.
I like this screen, man. I like this. I felt like they should have just eliminated all the analog parts and made it a full digital screen. So it would have been way better if it was all digital. But, you know, it is what it is. SRT, man, you gotta respect it, man. For those who don't know, this is street racing technology, man. If y'all don't know, probably a lot of people just SRT and don't even know. But
they got the apps for the SRT, got the performance page. Like, I really want this truck. Like,
whoo, them pages. It's real.
Actually see the miles per hour.
Oh yeah, where the horsepower on that, right? That's what you're talking about. It's the engine. Yeah. So you can see the current horsepower,
torque, and oil pressure you're using. Right now we're not using any because we're sitting still.
Yeah. So this got the full navigation, heated seats, cool seats, man. Heated steering wheel, gotta have that. I mean, it's the fully loaded. This the mamma jamma of the Jeeps. But hop in the back for y'all real quick. Oh. Now look, I know y'all just, bro, you see this? I know y'all just seen all that snow and the wind blowing crazy. Look at this shit. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Rochester weather, man, it's ridiculous. So boom, we're gonna hop in the back. Now I like the doors. They got this nice suede material again with the carbon fiber trim right here. Carbon fiber look good on pretty much anything. Leather seats. Now in the middle you got the half and half on the back seats and the front. So this is the leather with the cloth with the suede. I think that's the what they call it, the Napa suede. It's the suede in the middle on the bottom seat too. So you got all leather in the middle. You got storage space in there. 2 cup holders. You know, you gotta have that. So it's, I mean, I think it come with the What kind of is it? Does it got an audio system, premium audio system on it? It probably don't, but it probably still sound good. But all right, so you got heated rear seats too, man. Heated rear seats on both sides. You got 2 USBs. You got a plug down here too. So if you want to charge your phone up, you good to go. Just charge your phone. I like this, man. I'd probably buy this. Yo, look at this, bro. Yo, I'm kind of mad because we were just getting thrown around like some little girls. Look at this. It's crazy.
Outside people, so we just stay inside. Enjoy this heat and see.
Bro, it was just snowing crazy and pushing us like we was little dolls, bro. Oh my God, bro. That's Rochester. Yo, I'm telling you, that's New York State for you, man. Rochester weather for you. But you ready to go on the drive, man? Because we know we gotta head to that dyno, bro. Yeah. All right, so we about to go on the drive real quick.
We ain't tell you all the features in the truck, but
yeah, we gotta go real quick. But you know, you got your parking assistance, you got the eco mode, and this is to turn off your traction.
What is this?
This does have launch mode. Now, come on now. It's SRT, so the launch mode on it. So I'm serious.
Oh, show them right here. This is the little exciting.
So this is the launch control button. You got track mode, sport mode, auto, snow, and tow mode. So these tow pretty good amount too. So when you change the modes, it changes the picture on the dash. So
this is sport right
that's
there.
the sport mode.
That's track right here.
Track. See, that's cool. Look, the truck running past a little finish line. That's dope.
And then right here, snow or tow.
Tow. Okay, we got the towing feature.
Snow.
And snow.
And this is just
Look, and the truck on a little hill with some snow. That's pretty dope. All right, man. So we're gonna go on the drive real quick, y'all.
Real quick.
We got to go. All right, let's go real. Hold on, I'm gonna get the exhaust for y'all real quick. Is that the exhaust crazy?
Nice. I'm about to hit it for you.
Let me get that exhaust for y'all real quick, man. That's dang serious. Now this is aftermarket exhaust, so go ahead, bro. Woo! God damn. Woo! Yo, I ain't gonna lie, that shit kind of. Yo, you got some of the little gas all on my face. Yo, oh man. The wind blew it, that's like all over the place. That exhaust sound crazy though.
Yeah, bro, I wouldn't doubt it, man. That thing is nice. Shit sounds smexy, boy.
Remote real quick. Damn, yo, that exhaust sound crazy, son.
It does, bro.
But you know what? When you just want to cruise, it's not that crazy. You still hear it, but it's not that crazy.
That's only when you give it.
Yeah, when you give it that power. Yo, man, come check out my boy Shane, man. They got this SRT, man, for sale, man. It is used. The 2014 SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee, man. 485 horsepower, 6.4 liter Hemi, man. Same motor that come in the Challenger Scat Pack, Charger Scat Pack, and the SRT. That SI was clean. But this, I'm gonna pull over, man. Let you drive. This is, bro. Come on, man. We driving SRTs out here, bro.
Yes,
come on, man. We doing our thing, man.
I wanted certain stick shift, but we are reviewing Hondas today. I forgot all about that, and that's gonna be more my section than it is his.
Bro, I can't have this, bro.
I have
like to have every day.
Yeah.
Oh my God, bro. Nigga, I get a ticket coming out the parking lot, out of the dealership, bro. This shit crazy. Come on, champ. You know I'm gonna close the door, man. I left your door open. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, my fault. That was the winds, huh?
Damn. Oh, this seat way lower than that seat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was driving a second.
Damn.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I wanted that little. I had to.
Damn, son.
Yeah, wow, that picked up pretty good.
It's a different feeling in the passenger seat. I tell you that, bro. It don't feel like that in the driver's seat.
It don't?
Yeah, no, hell nah. That was way more pull on the passenger seat than the driver's seat, bro. Yeah, that shit was serious.
Yeah, woo! Yeah, I had to do that one time.
Damn, man. Yo, come see my boy, man. Shane, man, at Marina Dodge, man.
Yeah, tell him to hook you up with this car, man. This car is really something that people should think about getting.
And this aftermarket exhaust is crazy.
It sound beautiful, man. This truck handles fucking great. Like, I wish I would have looked at this truck before I would have got my Ford.
I know this price. I want to know how much they want for it, because I know it's still like 40, probably 40,000. I'm gonna ask when we get back to the shop. I'm gonna put it in the video, man, how much this truck costs if y'all looking at it, if you're interested in it. Yeah, because this SRT, man, we drove SRT today, bro.
That guy that you told me about, that tall guy?
Tall guy. He got one. He got a track hole.
Oh,
he got the one with the supercharger. Ooh. Yeah, he got the big daddy.
I'm about to go check out his video.
Yeah, he got the big daddy. He got the all white exterior, all red interior. Crazy. Yo, if y'all don't know Tall Guy, man, go follow Tall Guy Car Reviews on YouTube. Bro, his page, the guy, he funny, man. Him and Organic, man, Mr. Organic is, yo, they funny. Every review they do is good, man. They funny as hell. Two cool dudes. He owned a Hellcat.
Oh, okay.
He owned a Hellcat Challenger and a Jeep Trackhawk. Fire. And you know me, I always get my cars in white. So when he say he got the white one, I'm like, oh yeah, it's over. He got the white one, red interior, the hardened current system, all that good stuff. So he got a wrap Hellcat. His wrap Hellcat, crazy. It's crazy, bro. Okay. Crazy. Yeah, check him out, bro. His video is dope. But man, we almost back to the dealer, man. So that's it, man. SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee, man, 2014. It is for sale, man, at Marina Dodge, Webster, New York, man. Y'all gonna see Shane Pitts pop up right now with his phone number, man. If y'all need this truck, or if you like, you know, you want SRT, you just looking for something in a cheaper range instead of buying a brand new one. Just the SUV all the way around. This thing it handles nice. I'll let my girlfriend drive this truck. Yo, I think my girl can handle this, even though it's got a lot of power. She can handle it because it ain't nothing crazy. It's not nothing crazy. It's just like a regular SUV, except it's got a lot of cool features, this truck. And when your boyfriend goes to drive it, trust me, he's gonna have a lot of fun. Yeah, for real. That's crazy. I know I'm having fun with it, man. I don't even want to let it go, man. I want to go home. I want you to let us hold it for a couple of days, man. This yo, it's SRT, man. That's really all I can say, man. You gotta respect the SRT when you see one, man. The previous owner of this, he upgraded from the 2014 to the 2018. So he got a newer one now. He like, yeah, he done with the old. He gonna upgrade. So hit them lights. By far the best truck I've ever driven, SUV I've ever wanted to buy. I want to buy this for real, man. Yo, stay tuned for the next video, man. We going to the dyno right now for the 200, man. Yo, listen, my 200 on sale, man. Look, if anybody want it, it's on sale right now. Marina Dodge, man. They want like 20 bands for it. It's nice, leather seats, heated seats, all that. Nah, I'm playing, man. I ain't selling my car, man. I wish I could sell, but nah, seriously, if y'all want to buy it, let me know. I get y'all a sweet deal on them, seriously. But man, that's it, man. I'm gonna show y'all this truck one last good time. That's it, man. That bad. Oh, the lights. We gotta turn the lights off. Yep, 2014, man. Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Yo, and when I say that truck's serious, that truck's serious, man. You good? You good to go? The only thing I dislike about this truck is the rims. I don't like the rims. I love them rims. You like them rims? Yeah. They just look kind of like, I don't know. I don't really like them like that. They got the SRT. That thing's serious. All right, man, I'm sorry. I should have got that earlier. Yo, I'm sorry we had to do a quick review. Yo, it was crazy snowing, crazy cold. Right. So we had to do a real quick review. But I don't know what happened, man. It just got nicer a little bit. But, yo, it went from snowing back to sunny. Now it's snowing again, man. So, yo, I appreciate y'all for watching these videos, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. We on our way. We on our way to go do the dyno for the 200, man. We gotta go, man. We gotta go, man. We gonna see y'all. Yo, stay tuned for that next video, man. Watch that dyno on the 200, man. We out.